Got a Marriott Bonvoy gift card? Redeeming it is super easy. Whether it's just a plastic card or an e-gift card, I'll show you how to use it in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, know where you can use it. Marriott gift cards work at participating Marriott hotels like JW Marriott, Courtyard, or Westin for stays, dining, spa, golf, and more. Check gifts.marriott.com for the full list of eligible brands. Step 1. Book your stay or service as usual, typically with a credit card. You can't use the gift card for deposits or advanced purchases, so plan to redeem it during the day after your stay. Step 2. At checkout, present your plastic gift card for an e-gift card. Show the email or receipt with the card. Step 2. At checkout, present your plastic gift card or an e-gift card. Show the email or receipt with the card number and PIN on your phone or a printed copy. Step 3. The hotel staff will apply the gift card balance to your bill. You can use multiple gift cards for one transaction, and if the bill exceeds the card's value, just cover the rest with another payment method. Pro tip, you don't need to be a hotel guest to use your gift card. Enjoy dining, spa treatments, or golf at participating properties. Just confirm with the hotel beforehand. Need to check your balance? Visit gifts.marriott.com or call 1-800-442-6132. If your card's lost or stolen, register it online to protect your funds. That's it, guys. Redeeming your Marriott Bonvoy gift card is quick and opens the door to amazing experiences. Safe travels and enjoy your stay. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.